Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see here, we've got our blacklist, which is empty right now. In order to add a number to it, just tap on add a number. And as you can see, now we can manually type the number we want to block and tap on block. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, so from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Of course, you can unblock it just by tapping on this X button right next to it. Tap on unblock to confirm, and as you can see, it immediately disappears, so obviously it means that it has been successfully removed from the blacklist and you will receive all calls and messages. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.